Hello green thumbs and plant lovers! If you're looking for a low-maintenance, air-purifying powerhouse for your home, look no further than the spider plant. Today, we're diving into the 9 scientifically proven benefits of this amazing plant. And I'll also introduce you to some other fantastic plants that can work wonders in your indoor space. Let's get started. The spider plant is one of the most popular houseplants, known for its easy care and air purifying abilities. But it doesn't stop there. This plant has so many surprising benefits. Safe for pets. If you've got curious cats or dogs at home, you can grow a spider plant. According to the ASPCA, these plants are safe for your furry friends, making it the perfect plant for families with pets. Clean the air. Spider plants are like natural air purifiers. They help remove harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, xylene, and even carbon monoxide. These toxins can be found in furniture, cleaning products, and even car exhaust. So they not only freshen up your space, but they can also improve the overall air quality. Lead tolerance and removal. Here's something fascinating. Spider plants can actually thrive in soils contaminated with lead, absorbing it and cleaning up the environment. That's right. This plant is not only good for your indoor space, but it also helps improve the soil quality. Removes particulate matter. Spider plants also help fight particulate matter in the air, those tiny particles that can sneak into your lungs and affect your health. By absorbing these pollutants, spider plants keep the air clean and breathable. Reduce stress and anxiety. Feeling stressed? Research shows that being around plants like the spider plant can help reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have found that people working near plants have lower blood pressure and feel more relaxed. So if you need a little calm, place a spider plant near your workplace. Absorbing nitrogen dioxide. Did you know that spider plants are great at absorbing nitrogen dioxide? This pollutant is often found in car exhaust and household appliances. By soaking up this harmful gas, spider plants help create a cleaner and safer environment. Boost productivity and focus. Need to boost your productivity? Studies show that having plants, including the spider plant around, can improve your focus and even help you work faster. It's a natural way to enhance your concentration, perfect for workspaces, study rooms, or home offices. Increase humidity naturally. Spider plants help maintain healthy humidity levels in your home. Through a process called evapotranspiration, spider plants release moisture into the air, increasing humidity naturally. This is especially helpful if you live in a dry climate or struggle with dry skin and respiratory issues. Better quality of sleep. One last amazing benefit. Spider plants can improve your sleep quality. Unlike most plants, they continue to release oxygen at night, which helps you breathe easier and enjoy a deeper sleep. So having one in your bedroom could lead to better rest. As you can see, spider plants are more than just a beautiful addition to your home. They're air purifiers, stress relievers, and even sleep aids. But the best part, they're super easy to care for and safe for pets. And don't forget, there are other incredible plants like the snake plant and aloe vera that also purify the air and bring amazing benefits to your home. Check out more about them from the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Balcony Garden Web for more green inspiration.